Can you show me how you play Flappy Bird? Show me how you play Flappy Bird, CJ. Come on. Play Flappy Bird. Show me how you do it. Play Flappy Bird.
What happened?
Nothing happened. Show me how you play Flappy Bird.
Oh, Flappy Bird?
Yeah, Flappy Bird. Can you play it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go, man, was full. Keep going on. Keep going on.
Is that frustrating?
Keep going on.
Oh, I know. It's really frustrating, isn't it?
What happened?